Alright, hey everybody, I'm back, I'm here, and I'm going to make a video. So, today, I'm going to make a video on how to fix an optical drive. This one has a problem. The disk tray doesn't close all the way. As you can see, I hope you can see, but if you can only hear, anyways, I don't know where I was going with that, but this is an optical drive. It's a modern optical drive. It's fine, but the disk tray, it's all screwed up. That's what happens when you get free stuff. So how to fix it, right? So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a tree stump, obviously. You're going to need an optical drive that's broken, because you can't fix one that's not broken unless you break it, which I encourage. You're going to need a screwdriver. You're also going to need an envelope and a sock. All right. So the first step to fixing an optical drive, you're just going to want to, and after that, you can go ahead and see inside, and you're going to want to take your screwdriver and your sock. You can use the sock to dust off any dust that might be in there. And the envelope, well, you're also going to need a piece of paper. Alright, so now that you have your optical drive opened up, you're going to want to take your screwdriver and make sure you have the right kind. I don't actually have the right kind, so this isn't going to work, so I'm just going to go ahead and stab myself in the eye.